everyone, I am Jane Jailin Fidor Arieta from BSIE 2202, and for this video, I will going to do our third activity in our computer aided design subject, which is the power feed bracket. So please join me. Let's proceed to the video.
So first, we will input or add layers that we will use later. Click layer properties, click this to add. Then the first layer, we will going to name it green. Set the color to green and its line type to hidden. Then click OK. Then for the second, we will name it magenta. We will set the color to magenta. Click OK. Then its line type will be center too. Next, red. This will be our dimension. Change the color to red and line type to solid line. Click OK. Then for the last, name it yellow, and this will be our guide. We will change the color to yellow. OK. And its line type will be solid line inside. Then after that, click close. So what we are going to do next is set our div style. So for its shortcut, just simply type D. Then click modify. We will change our dimension lines and extension lines to red. Our text to color green and the primary units to 0.00. Click OK. Click set current. Then close. And now we will start our figure. First, click circle. Then center diameter. Its size will be 1.13. Enter. After that, insert another circle, and its size will be 2.06. Next, another circle. The size will be 2.38, like that. After that, we will draw a guide. So, choose yellow, then auto mode on. We will do a straight line. Its size will be 1.5. Enter. And next, we will insert a line to the right, and its size will be 2.62. Enter. So click escape, and we will set again our layer to the default one, the 0. After that, we will add another circle, center diameter, here. The size will be 0.75, enter, and the second one is 1.88, enter. After that, we will draw again a guideline. So, set our layer to yellow, the guide, and a line downwards. Starting to this point, the size will be 0.38. Enter. After that, we will set the layer to 0 again, and we will insert a line from this point downward again, and its size will be 1.12. Enter. Then press escape. It will look like this, and we will use offset command through, and from the right, the size will be 0.28. To the left, it will be also 0.20. To the left, 0.28. Enter. Another offset for 0.19. And on the other side, 0.19 also. Then escape. After that, we will extend these two lines, and connect it to the circle. Inside it today. Like that. After that, we will create a tangent line. So press Shift, then right click, then click tangent, and we will connect the lines to this point to this. Escape. So after that, we will use again the yellow guide. So click line. We will create a line from this midpoint, and the size will be 5.26. We will use auto mode. 5.26. Enter. After that, we will set again the layer to 0, and we will insert a line upward, and its size will be 1.62. Enter. Then to the left, because in this we will create a rectangle. To the left is 3.62, downwards 1.26, and to the right, we will connect it here. We will just connect it up to this point. So we will insert guidelines using the yellow layer. So after that, we will insert a line from this point to here. Then another line from its midpoint to the left that measures 0.76. Enter, and another line which measures 2.26. Enter. And after that, we will insert a circle using center diameter to each endpoint. So click circle, center diameter. The diameter will be, we will turn this layer again to 0, then this, then the diameter will be 0.375. Enter. We will insert another circle, 0.375 also. Enter. So after that, we will turn off the yellow guide. And what we are going to do next is insert a line from this point to this. After that, we will use fillet command. F enter or enter 0.12. Enter. We will select this. And after that, we will turn again the guidelines on. Then we will insert a line from here to here. After that, we will use fillet command. The size is 0.44. And we will select these two lines. After that, we will insert again a tangent. So click L, enter, then shift, hold, then use or choose tangent. Then we will insert a line here to here. After that, we will trim or remove the parts that are not needed. So the parts that are needed is here and this. After that, we will insert a line from this to the size of the 0.5 upwards, then to the right 0.76. Oops. I will find the information. 0.76 downward 1.06, and to the left we will connect it to the circle. Oops. Like that. After that, we will not trim any lines because we connect it perfectly. After that, we will extend this line measuring 0.06. 0.06. Like that. We will also extend this line up to this. Like that. Then we will trim the excess lines. So click trim. Then after that, we can now proceed to the next part. First, we will click the ortho mode on and insert a line. Ortho mode off, then insert a line from this up, measuring 3.05 with a degree of 79. Enter. Then after that, draw another line from here also, measuring 2.75. The measure is 2.75. Enter, skip. After that, we will use the offset command. We will click this line and the measure will be 0.28. Another one to the left, 0.28. Enter. And after that, we will click escape. Then we will insert another line from here to here. Measuring 1.76. Then escape. After that, what we're gonna do is we will add a line measuring 30. So from this measure is 30. 0.30. Circle 0.30. 0.30. Okay. And this end point 0.30. 0.30. Then we will use delay command or enter here, and radius will be 0.12. Multiple. Delay command. Radius is 0.12. Then multiply. We will delay that sides, then erase this line. After that, we will do the same process to the other side. So the measurement of this line is 1.76, I mean. Then after that, we will add another line to the end point, and the measure is 0.30. Oops. 0.30. And to the other side, 0.30. After that, we will delay both sides. We will just look at this. 0.30. Okay. Then delay command 0.12. We will select these lines. Let's escape, then erase this part. Then after that, we will change this lines to color green. Select these lines and click the green. So we will adjust the LPS of this and this, because I think it's bigger, that's why it's not appearing. The line type even is not appearing. So we will type LPS for the LPS. The LPS is for LP scale, or so enter. Then we will enter 0.030 and that. The hidden line type is, you can now see the hidden line type. So after that, we will insert, click again for the green, and insert a circle in this part. So click circle, then choose center radius, and the size will be 2.38. Then after that, we will fill the parts that we don't need. So this part, and this part. And just this part. Oops, sorry, and this part also. After that, choose a yellow guide, then draw a line starting from here. Measurement of and its measurement is 0.75. Wait. Escape. think the measurement is wrong, so we will insert a line. We will insert a line from this point and measure 0.15. It's 0.15, not 0.75, and so on. Then after that, we will insert a line again upwards and measure 0.15. Then click green. And we will insert a line from this point and connect it to this point. Escape, and we will insert a line at the top of it. Oops, it's wrong. Sorry. We will erase this and we will choose the green line. Then from that point to this point, escape, and at the top of it. Like that. Then draw another, turn it to yellow. Then draw a line here. From the midpoint to the right, and measure 0.2. After that, we will insert again a green line. 1, 2, and we will just extend this. Like that. And to the other side, we will just insert a green line from that point and extend. Then after that, we remove this and then use offset mode. Enter. So object, the size will be 0.40. Skip. Then click magenta. Then insert a line from here to here. Then from here measuring 7, and then from the center measuring 1. Enter, then we will just extend the magenta measuring 1 also. After that, click the red, which is the dimension, then click line, then from here measuring 3.85, and then another line from here measuring 3.68. Now escape, then let's proceed to dimensioning. First, click dimension, Then, now we are done with the first part of our figure. Yes. So at the meantime, we will turn off the red layer or the dimension. Like that, and after that, we click the guide or the yellow layer, then insert a line here. So from this point, at this point, it will measure 7.1. Enter. Second, the second guideline, we will insert at the midpoint of the circle, measuring 4.92. Then, after that, at this endpoint, the measure is 5.32. Fourth is in this line, measuring 10.92. Then, after that, insert in this part. That point, the measure is 10.16. Then, next is at the midpoint of the circle, measuring 11.86. Then, after that, insert another line, measuring 9.72. Then another line that measures 8.0. Then second to the last line is 6.96. And the last one measuring 7.49. Then after that, we will insert we will turn off the yellow guide, and then click here, then click the 0. After that, we will create a line from this endpoint measuring 5.1, enter. Enter, and another line from this endpoint measuring 5.06, and then after that, we will turn on the guidelines. Then after that, we will insert a line at this endpoint and connect it to this guideline. And after that, we will create or insert another line connecting this, measuring. So the line will be creating is to the right, we will be creating it to the right, measuring 0.56, enter, and 0.94, then 0.0.0. .38, and then after that, we will insert a vertical lines until it touches this line here. So the third line and the last line for this, like that. Then after that, we will be inserting a circle using circle center diameter, and insert this on this side. When its diameter is 0.375, and after that, we will insert a line from the middle of the circle measuring 2.26. So from this midpoint, measuring 2.26, enter. Then after that, we will connect the endpoint of this. We will just connect this to this guidelines here. And then we will insert another line from this point, measuring 0.56, 0.14, enter. Oops! Until 0.14. Then after that, we will create an vertical line, and its measure will be 1.29. Another line here, 1.29 also. Then we will connect this point up to this, and this line, we will extend this line. We will extend this line and connect it there. And after that, click the yellow for the layer because we will insert guidelines. So we will create guidelines from here upward, measuring 0.265. Then turn it back to the 0 and create a line here, measuring 0.62 and connect it here. Then after that, we will extend this line up to this point, and then we will create a line from here and just connect here to here. And we will insert a line to this area for us to be able to offset. Then we will insert here also up to this. Then stick. Now we will use fillet command. F, enter, R, enter, 0.12 and multiple. So we will multiply the side of this. First this side, also this, and this side. Then press escape and we will trim the parts that are not needed. So click here for the trim command and trim the excess part. And this. Remove the parts that are not needed. Then, let us proceed by extending this line up to this line here. So click, then just hold, just click, then extend it up to this line. Then after that, we will insert a line from here to here. Then we will draw a guideline, click the yellow layer, And then we will find the midpoint of this and just we'll connect here like that. Another one for this. And then we will connect the endpoint of this to this line, to this guidelines. And then after that, we will use the 0. Then connect this. Then after that, we will insert a line also at this point. Then press Shift at type 1237 2.1237 tab 308. Then a horizontal line here measuring 0.94. Then another line downwards. .88 escape. We'll just repeat this. After that, we will insert a guideline here measuring 1.12. Then go back to the 0. Then we will create a circle that measures 0.375 and another circle, measuring 1.12. So we will insert a guideline from here to here to check the accuracy. So from this point up to this point. After that, let's go back to 0 and create a line from this point and connect it to this point. Then create another line, this point up to this. Then connect it to the circle. Then connect this to this. Then we will fillet using fillet command. So type F, enter R, enter, and enter. So F, enter, R, enter, 0.12, and so the points is, the first one is this, and then this one. And after that, we will extend this line up to this line, like that. And then we will insert another line from here, from the intersection to here. Then from this up to this point, then we will make a line here. Then we will extend this line up to this. And this line like the outer one. And then after that, we will insert a circle at this area, measuring 0.375. After that, we will insert a line above the circle like that, and then extend this to this point. And then we will create another line from this point up to this point, then another horizontal line from here to here. After that, we will look for its midpoint and insert a vertical line. After that, we will trim the excess part, or the parts that are not needed. We will remove this one also. And using fillet, we will create a semicircle like that. So, another fillet command. Because we will fillet that part. And this part also, this. This part and this part. Oh, I forgot the other one. Like that. Then we will trim the parts, the excess parts. Then we will create another guidelines. So click for the yellow line and measure 94. After that, we will insert a guide from this point. Measuring 4.7. Then after that, we will insert a circle from this endpoint. We will turn this to 0 then before we proceed to the circle, and its size or diameter will be 0.375 and a bigger circle measuring 1.12, and create a line from this point until it touches this. After that, we will create another guide from this point from the midpoint of this up to, and then from this and from the midpoint of the last guideline, we will connect it like that, and then we will put it back to 0 and make a line measuring 0. From this part of the circle measuring 0.8. So we will just correct our here. We will move this to this point, so that, and extend this line like this. After that, we will insert a line here measuring 0.80. Oops. And connect it up to this line. After that, we will insert an arc, start and radius, and then from the radius will be 1.76, and for this part, and lastly, we will insert a line from here to this point. Now let's proceed to inserting the magenta. Then get magenta. Then from this point to the left, the measure will be 3.9. Then the green one. But first we will insert a guide from this point and the other side downwards, and the color green from the midpoint of this. Then we were going to extend this we will find the midpoint and then extend this and for the other side. Extend this like the other one. Then after that, we will insert a green line from here to here, and then use offset command. Like this. The size is 1.12, and after that, we will extend this to this, and we will insert another here. Then use offset mode again, offset command, measuring
1325.
Zero point 02 and offset again. Offset. Zero point 1324. Now we will proceed to dimensioning. So this is our figure.
And that is all for our third activity. See you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye!